Alright, so today I will be doing another unboxing, and today I will be unboxing these Sony MDR7506 headphones. So to start, let's just open this box and see what comes inside. These headphones are very high professional quality headphones that I think they're basically made for like music production, but these are going to help me significantly for maintaining and increasing the quality of my audio within my videos that I edit. First off, the packaging super nice and looks super high quality. The headphones are inside. Looks like here we have a little carrying case if I would want to take these elsewhere or travel, keeps them safe. So now we have the actual cable to connect to the 1/4 inch to connect to like a laptop or a camera or something to monitor the audio. And then it also looks like we have an adapter here if we would like to connect it to like a guitar or some sort of music. It's a larger for like an instrument cable, which I think is really cool availability. Not sure if I will use it, but there are many people that would definitely be able to use this little attachment. Here we have the cord, and then we have the headphones. Super nice, flexible cord. One thing I like these too is that on the sides they have a little right and left. It's just something that helps when you're like scanning audio. You can know for sure that you are listening to the right side. Super nice long cord if I need to move it all. And then let's just throw them on real quick. Those are super comfy, and it's like crazy. It sounds weird like when I'm talking because it's so like covers your ear and helps cancel the noise so well. Yeah, I could wear these all day and I would forget that I had them on. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna plug them into my laptop really quick just to show you how simple and easy it is. The normal headphone jack. Simply just plug them in. Boom, you're connected. And now you got a professional sound that you can listen to. Super easy to connect to the headphones and to the laptop. Wow, those really do control the sound super well. Like, I can't hear anything besides what I am watching right now, which is awesome. This doesn't always happen. Like, I can actually like focus on what I'm doing despite the surroundings around me. This is awesome. I wanted to show you guys super quick how easy it is to put into the carry to go bag to keep them safe. Super compact. Let's pull this one up. That. Wrap the cord around. Super compact. Right. The carrying case. There you go. Size of my hand, easy carry. Now it's safe. If something hits it, it's gonna be okay. It's in a safe, nice carrying patch. Bag's high quality. So just throw this into my editing bag, and there we go. Got headphones that work really, really well. So if you guys have ever used these headphones or something similar to them, just let me know how you like them and how long they lasted, maybe pros and cons to them, any other things. If you have other headphones that you think were better, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will check them out. Yeah, I highly recommend these headphones, and I hope that you guys will be able to maybe purchase them for yourself someday. I will put the link in the description for you guys to purchase them if you are interested.